Hey everybody, my name's Morgan Meggs. I'm with Lexus of Jacksonville in the Technology Department. Today I'm going to be going over all the different door lock settings as well as their functions. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the video.
To begin, we're going to press Menu highlighted in red, and using our trackpad highlighted in blue, we're going to select Setup. When selecting Setup, let's navigate to Vehicle by swiping to the left-hand side. Once in Vehicle Setup, we'll select Vehicle Customization, and then finally swipe up to select Door Lock Settings. First on our list, we have Automatic Door Lock, and you'll see in that menu we've got 3 different settings. First up, we've got Automatic Door Lock by Speed. This will ensure that when you reach a certain speed in your vehicle, your doors will automatically lock. On this particular RX we were testing, the set speed was around 15 miles an hour. Next up, setting to Shift from Park ensures that all doors lock when shifting into gear. Next on our list, we've got Automatic Door Unlock, and from here we're greeted with 3 different settings as well. The first being by driver door. This ensures that when you shift the car into park, turn your engine off, and get out, it will unlock all doors in your Lexus. Setting Automatic Door Unlock to off will ensure that only the driver's door unlocks. Setting Automatic Door Unlock by Shift to Park will ensure that all doors unlock when shifting into park. Next on the list is Remote 2 Press Unlock. This allows you to press once on the key fob to unlock only the driver's door and twice to unlock all the doors. When turned off, pressing once on the key fob will unlock all doors. Alright, next up we've got Wireless Lock when door open. Now this allows you to lock your Lexus with any of its doors being open using your key fob. If turned off and you try and lock your Lexus with any doors open, well, the car won't agree. Next on our list, we've got the ability to select which doors unlock when reaching into the driver's side door handle. If driver's door is selected in the list, only the driver's door will open when reaching into the door handle. Okay, next up, here we have the Auto Relock Timer. This will allow you to set the time until your Lexus automatically relocks if previously unlocked with your key fob, yet no doors being opened. Okay, next we've got the Lock Unlock feedback lights. This simply controls the lights on the outside of your Lexus when locking and unlocking. Okay, finally here up we've got the Lock and Unlock feedback tone. This allows you to change the volume at which your Lexus beeps back at you when locking and unlocking it.
Alright everybody, that's going to wrap up today's video on the door lock settings as well as their functions in your Lexus. Now, most of my videos are based off of customers' previous questions, so if you've got something that's troubling you, feel free to ask away. Thanks for watching. Oh hey there, you got any questions, comments, or concerns? Let us know.